Here's a deck that's way more than just cards, the Ubuntu Cards. At first glance, they look simple, but the magic lies in how they get people talking, connecting, and discovering things they share in common, even with total strangers. The word Ubuntu comes from a Southern African philosophy meaning, I am because we are. And that idea of shared humanity is really woven into how this deck is designed. Each card has images on both sides and works as a tool for reflection, conversation, and group interaction, making it perfect for educators, facilitators, trainers, or anyone who wants to break the ice in a meaningful and creative way. You can use the cards to spark discussion, play simple pattern finding games, or even challenge small groups to find connections between the images, which naturally builds communication and listening skills. What's really cool is that they aren't really rigid. There's no single right way to use them. You can stick to the included activities or invent your own. That makes these cards great in classrooms and for social emotional learning. Also in team meetings to loosen up and get people thinking, or just as a fun group activity at home. They can end up prompting real conversations rather than shallow chatter, and you can end up with genuinely meaningful exchanges that feel fun and insightful at the same time. My favorite way to use these cards is basically as an ice-breaking tool in my EFL classes. I introduce more difficult vocabulary to learners first, and then they have to circulate the room, talking in pairs and making connections. Yes, connections. That's what the Ubuntu cards are really all about. A set of thoughtful, interactive, visual-only prompts that encourage curiosity, creativity, and connection in ways you don't often get from other types of decks. So I recommend.